today we are going to looking a 14 by 46 house plan. So first I want to talk about how architects use the sun to the influence their design, but rather than speak into generalities, I wanted to use a detail from the project to show you how it's work in practice. So before we getting into the little bit detail, you need a little background. You know, do you remember previous video I already talked about the Vastu Shastra? I think you can go and check that video and come here again. It is a more helpful, little bit helpful in this video. So just go and check it out. So today we are discussing a 14 by 46 house plan. So exactly whatever you are designing, first thing is you require analysis wala portion. It might be a required. First is location. Location is the first matter. Second is context. Third one is budget. Fourth one is requirement. That is a main portion. Okay. So I'm going to talking about the requirement. What exactly client wanted. So let's come to the point. So this is a requirement. What exactly client want? First one is a parking for the one four-wheeler and one two-wheeler. Second one is theater room for the it's kind of enjoyment space. Third one is a lift. Fourth one is the living room. Fifth one is kitchen, and sixth one is 3 bedrooms with attached toilet. First, this requirement is cater 3 couple and 2 children. Okay, so let's start with this. So as you can see, here is the floor plate. It is the G+3 structure. As you can see, this one is a ground floor, first, second and third, and northeast, which is the towards the downward direction. Okay, so let's come to the point with the ground floor plan. Here is the main entry from the around 12 feet wider road to the entry. This one is the ramp. This is the stairs towards the upper direction. This one is the parking space. The parking, which is the 13 feet 3 inch by 16 feet 6 inch. It means here to here is 13 feet 3 inch, and here to here is 16 feet 6 inch. Here is the store kind of spaces. This one is the lift, which is the 4 feet by 3 feet 6 inch. Here is the staircases provided for the upward directions, go for the first floor levels. This one is the toilet space, which is 6 feet by 5 feet. It means here to here is 6 feet 10 inch, and here to here is 5 feet. And this one is OTS space, which is the 5 feet by 2.6 feet. And this one I already told you about requirement. They want the theater room, which is located in the ground floor. The size which is the 13 feet 3 inch by 11 feet 9 inch. It means here to here is 13 feet 3 inch, and here to here is 11 feet 9 inch. This is the 1.5 feet wider OTS through and through to the terrace floor. This is overall ground floor plan. First, client exactly what requirement is. They are saying like that plot side is too narrow. Okay, so they want a luxurious type things. They want a luxurious like apartment, not an apartment, but bungalow style. So we are creating on that way. Okay, so let's come to the first floor. You are coming to the ground to first. You are drop here. This is the through and through lift wala portion. This is the kitchen, and this is the common toilet. Here is the entry. This is the common toilet, which is the same as in the ground floor plan. This is the kitchen, which is the 13 feet 1 inch by the 11 feet 9 inch, and this is the overall wash area, which is 3 feet 9 inch by the 6 feet. It means here to here is a 3 feet 9 inch, and here to here is 6 feet. And this is the OTS that I already mentioned on ground floor, which is go through and through the terrace floor. Yeah, This is the lift, and back of the lift it is the store area, which is the 4 feet 1 inch by 3 feet 10 inch. It means here to here is 4 feet 1 inch and here to here is 3 feet 10 inch. This is the main entry for the living room. Here is the locations of sofa. This one is the TV unit, and the living room size, which is the 13 feet 3 inch by 13 feet 1 inch. It means here to here is 13 feet 1 inch and here to here is 13 feet 3 inch. This is the balcony space for the setting and all purpose. So which is the 9 feet 10 inch by 4 feet. It means here to here is 9 feet 10 inch and here to here is 4 inch feet. Sorry. This is the puja area, which is the 3 feet 4 inch. It means here to here is 3 feet and here to here is 4 feet towards the north direction, north east direction. Okay. We are going to the second floor plan. We are going up here to here. It means we are drop here in this second floor plan, which is overall private space. It means the bedroom with the attached toilet. So as you can see, in the below floor, which is the first floor, is it kitchen, and upper floor, which is the bedroom. So as you can see here, you are entering. This is the attached toilet, which is the same as in the other floor. This one is the bedroom. This one is the TV unit. Bedroom, which is the 13 feet 3 inch by 11 feet 9 inch. It means here to here is 13 feet 3 inch and here to here is 11 feet 9 inch. Okay. This one is the OTS that are going through and through to the terrace floor. This is the same as in the left. This one is the store area. This is the bedroom, which is 13 feet 3 inch by 11 feet 3 inch, same as in the front of bedroom. This is the toilet. Here is the balcony space, and the third floor is same as in second floor. As you can see, this one is the third floor and this one is the second floor. One confusion is what you are saying, what is this? This is a red line. This is the sharing wall, which is what meaning of sharing walls? Here is other residential area towards to be west directions and east direction. This one is the east direction, which is the other property. It means other properties in the sense it is the other built up space, and here is the other built up space. So we have only two things to create our elevations more effective and attractive. So here is the north facing, which is the front facade, and here is the south facing, but on the back side we already have other properties, so we have only one flank to use as a free space for the create a more attractive. So here is the towards the north direction we are create a unique elevation. So now we are talk about that elevations, how to create a attractive and architectural icon elevation. So let's get start with the elevation. So guys, this is elevations. Now we are talking about elevation. So let's come with the ground floor plan. This is the ground floor level. This is the main entrance gate. This one is the first floor level. Here is the living room, and this one is the balcony space. This is second floor. Here is the balcony for the bedroom, and same as in a third floor, here is also balcony. So we are embossed some such things. This is the overall exposed bricks patch, which is the embossed in 3 inch towards the upward directions, and this is overall 0 level. So we are create a cuboid. It's a unique way to be created these things. This is the ventilation space we are designed with the paneling and such things. And here I'll give a floor height, which is the 10 feet 6 inch overall into floor height. Okay, so guys, if you have any kinds of query about this video, So you can contact us through our website and through our contact number that I already mentioned on description box. Just go and check it out. And